Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to start a new series of designing under 10 minutes. So whatever I'm going to design in this series will be a time bounded designing. So what I mean is basically what I'm going to design will be designed in an under 10 minutes, and right now I've already wasted half of my minutes. So let's start our very first design in this series, and for this tutorial I'm going to do battery designing, and the software that I'm using is Fusion 360, which is obviously an educational license. You can also get it if you are a student or a hobbyist. Okay, so without further ado, let's start with the design process. I'm going to start with a new file. Okay, so let's go to new design. I'm going to select top plane, go to sketch and create two circles from the origin. Undo that, just create the circle and place your dimension at the same time. You need to go to dimension 20 mm. So finish the sketch, and then we can do a extrude, which will be for this part 2.86. okay, now the unit system that I'm using is millimeter. You can see in the documents settings over here. All right, let's do another extrude, and this time I want this smaller circle that we sketched in sketch 1. So let's show it first and then go for extrude. Select the smaller one, go for 3.2 mm, and then you can hide your sketch. So it looks something like this. All right, let's do a fillet for this edge. 0.75 looks fine. Now I want to create a split body, so let's go for a split body. Select this one and select this one. Okay, now we have a split. We can do one more fillet, and to do that we can select the fillet, select this edge, 0.2, very small fillet, you can barely see but it's there. Okay, now we have created the fillet. Let's combine these two bodies again. So let's go for combine, select this and select this. Make sure you're not creating a new component, and the combine operation is done. Now we can do last fillet. So let's go for fillet, select this one, 0.3. okay, we can also do one more fillet on this edge, 0.2, and our battery is complete. Now the last part is where we can put our text on the back side. So let's do some text. Select the back face. I'm going to use a arc, center arc, like this. Finish the sketch, and I'm going to do another sketch, but this time I'm going to go for text, and I'm going to use text on path and select the arc that we just created. Change your placement, and we have to switch it. Yeah, let's make it 1. That's a bit smaller. Let's go for 2. Let's type in your text, 2016. I want it to be normal, not in italic. So yeah, you can also go for fit to path. To do that it will be like this, but let's not do that. I like it like this. Press OK, finish the sketch, Now I can pretty much create a cut minus 0.03. Okay, so it's can hide your arc now. We just utilize it for placing the text. Looks fine. Let's do a few more text on the back. So let's create the sketch, select the face, create text. This time we are going for a normal text. Draw a box like this. Okay, we don't want that. Let's type in 3 volts. Okay, and then we can adjust this thing so that it fits in perfect. I'm happy with this one, so let's finish the sketch. Go for extrude again and minus 0.03. Your cut will be done, something like this. Let's keep on adding few more text and we'll be done. Select the face, select text, draw a box like this and type in your text. So I'm going to type in energizer. This time next italic, increase the height. Okay, let's place it. Looks fine. Create the extrude minus 0.03. Let's add one more. Create the sketch, and over here I'm just going to add a symbol. So this symbol is basically a plus sign, but I want to change it to, let's say, a different font. Let's go for simplex. Okay, and then you can pretty much adjust it. So let's drag it a bit up, finish the sketch, extrude it minus 0.03. Looks nice. Yeah, let's do our last text. So I'll select the face and we are going to utilize the curve again. So let's go for center point arc. From the center, draw arc like this, finish the sketch, and then let's go for another sketch. This time choose text on path. This is our path, and I'm going to type in made in China. This is a bit bigger, so let's make it a small. Let's make it 1. Yeah, 1 is fine. It's should be flipped. Okay, I want to utilize this one. Yeah, now it's perfect. I will change the font now to what the font. I think Arial is fine. Okay, finish the sketch, extrude minus 0.03, and you can hide your sketch 7, and that's how you can pretty much model everything. Looks good, and yeah, that's it with the design of this button battery, or whatever you can call it. I hope you guys like it. If you have any doubts regarding the design process, you can comment down below. I'll be happy to answer your queries. See you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.